Warning, do not open this book. Narrated by Adam Lehrhaupt. Illustrated by Matthew Forsythe. We have permission from Simon Schuster Publishing to read to you today. Maybe you should put this book back. You don't want to let the monkeys out. Danger. Why did you turn the page? Didn't you see the warning? Stay on this page. You're safe here. This is a good page. I like this one. Oh dear, stop. Go back. Please. Uh-oh, monkey area. Turn around. I think I'll turn a page anyway. Oh no, now you've done it. Ooh, there's a monkey. Oh, there's a lot more monkeys. Oops. Oh, what are they doing? Looks like they're painting. What a mess! Naughty monkeys. Oh, he's taking the words right off the book. It could be worse. Do not tempt fate by turning the page. Please. Maybe we should turn the page anyway. Monkeys and toucans? Can you stop now? Everything used to be so good. Wait, did you hear that noise? That didn't sound like monkeys. Uh-oh. An alligator. This is a catastrophe. This calls for extreme measures. Only you can make things right. You should set a trap. This will surely work. It's a great trap. Oh, banana. Alligators love toucans and monkeys. Toucans and monkeys love bananas. Here's the plan. You can catch them all in this book. Quiet now. Don't scare them. You need to be silent so they don't run away. This is your big chance. When I say go, you close the book. Ready? Set. Go! Ooh. Hopefully I trapped them all inside. From now on, do not open this book.